Chris here from DrivingLife.net. We're going to look at ways to stay safe while driving in the rain. It's important to be aware of road conditions while you're driving in the rain. Rain levels can change rapidly during the course of your drive. Doing a few basic vehicle checks and driving defensively can help you stay safe during your drive. On this chart, there's a simple way to remember what to do in rainy conditions. Using the acronym RAIN, remember to be ready to move, stay alert, keep your eyes moving, and never get distracted. First, check your tires. Tires that have low tread will slide easier in the rain. Thicker tread helps channel the water between the tread so your tire makes contact with the ground. Also, check that your tires are inflated to the correct tire pressure. Second, check your windshield wipers. Make sure they are working well so you can see clearly out the window. Third, check your brakes. When it's raining, your brakes will take longer to stop your car. Give yourself more space than you normally would. The heavier the car or truck, the longer it will take to brake. Fourth, check your lights. Make sure your lights are working well. Clear off any haze from the lenses. Replace burnt bulbs. And adjust the lights if you notice the lights are out of alignment. Fifth, drive defensively. The key to driving safely is to slow down. Remember the acronym RAIN. Ready to move, alert, eyes watching, never get distracted. And last, avoid hydroplaning. If you are driving faster than 35 miles per hour, hydroplaning could occur. So to avoid hydroplaning, drop your speed at least 10 miles per hour lower than the speed limit while driving in the rain. If visibility is low, slow down even more. Pulling off the road may be necessary under some conditions. So to wrap things up, to be safe while driving in the rain, check your tires, windshield wipers, brakes, lights, and remember the acronym RAIN. For more information on driving in the rain, visit us at DrivingLife.net and please subscribe to our channel.